Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So, first thing first, I just want to thank all of you and I would like to congratulate all of you because today our community is 5,000 strong. And guys, 5,000 people are a lot of people. I never thought that I would reach 5,000 subscribers so quickly, but thanks to all of you for all of your support. Today our community is getting bigger and getting stronger. Anyways, let's get started with the video now. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about 3 things that you should remember before starting your architecture journey. So the first thing is patience, and the second thing is patience, and the third thing is again a lot of patience. Yes guys, see, architecture overall is not a very simple course. So first thing, it is a 5 years long course, so that's a huge amount of time.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
Most of your friends doing engineering or BCom or something else will complete their degree and will be working, and at that time you will be doing your thesis. So guys, that is a thing that you should consider. If you want quick money, if you want to earn a lot of money and get a job as soon as you complete your degree, architecture is not your field. Architecture needs a lot of patience in everything. So when it comes to assignments, the assignments are hectic. The assignments are time consuming. The lectures, one lecture can go up to 3 hours, 4 hours. So yeah, it is not a very simple course. So first thing, remember this thing. Architecture is 5 years long. Assignments are tough. These subjects and the topics are tough. They are very intensive. Unless and until you have a very keen interest in architecture, don't take architecture. Just because you are good in drawing or good in sketching or something, don't take architecture. Architecture is something that you should love. Architecture is something that you should have a passion to make something unique, design something unique. And guys, if you think architecture doesn't have mathematics or something, that is also wrong. Architecture does have a lot of maths involved. You have a subject called theory of structure, and it has maths in it, and it is not that simple. Ask me. I have tried my level best to keep my grades up in this subject. But yeah, it is a difficult subject. And at the end comes your thesis. Thesis is also very difficult to do. It takes a lot of efforts to just pass your final examination, final thesis examination. So take that into consideration. And guys, after completion of your architecture, it's not that you will get a job. There is no on-campus placement for architects. So that thing you have to remember. And very few colleges are there that offer few campus placement, but it's not there. In majority of the colleges, no campus placement is there. Think about that. And guys, the starting salary of an architect. So if you get 20,000 rupees after completing your architecture, consider yourself lucky.
ये तो चिल्लर है. चिल्लर? हाँ. अरे पूरे 8,535 रुपए 29 पैसे हैं. मैं क्या चिंदी चोर दिखता हूँ? ये फिरौती के पैसे की मैयत का चंदा है. मालिक.
Because I have known people, I know people who started their journey by 10,000, by 15,000, and that's really sad. After completing 5 years of intensive degree, you are just earning 10,000, 15,000. That is really bad, and that actually demotivates a lot of architects out there, a lot of fresh architects out there. And what happens at the end is, like, all the architects try to do their masters and just leave the country. This is also a very big issue. People are not noticing it, but it is an issue. Highly skilled architects are leaving India just because they are not getting enough pay. So I don't want to go on that topic, but this is the reality. I'm not here to demotivate you guys, but this is something that you all have to remember and take your decision wisely. And it's not that architects don't earn at all. Architects do make a good amount of money, but it takes time. That's why I started this topic with patience, and a lot of patience. You will earn a good amount. There are architects earning in lakhs per month. Yes, there are architects, but what they did was they focused on one line. They focused on their careers. They focused on how they will reach there. And now finally they are here. After completion of your architecture, again you consider yourself like 5 years. You are just practicing. You are on the field. To make something of yourself, you have to give yourself at least 5 years. So remember this thing. And guys, if you have any kinds of doubts or any kinds of queries, mention it in the comment section below. I will try my level best to solve them. And this video was just to give you a gist, like architecture is not a very simple field. If you want to be in it, you have to dedicate yourself totally to it. Like, you know, it's like marriage. You are just marrying architecture. Even if you are tired of it, you stay in it and you make it work. That's how it goes. So I think I will end this video on this note. Again guys, thanks a lot for all your support. Today we are 5,000 strong, and I'm damn sure like in a month or two we will be 10,000 strong. So guys, keep supporting, stay strong, stay fit, and guys, see you soon. Bye bye.